Hello viewers, you're welcome to another SMC tutorial video, and in today's video we'll be guiding you on how to mine the Cedex Telegram Cloud app. So before we get started in today's video, if you find our video helpful, kindly support our channel by purchasing our educational token WikiCat, which is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. The contract address will be on the description below this video, so let's get started. Cedex Telegram mining gives you the access to tap and farm token through the cloud mining, and it is important for us to take advantage of this particular project because the backing is commendable and it's necessary for us to mine till it launches due to the market potency. So I'll take you through on how to mine in the CDAX. So firstly, you'll be needing the CDAX referral link and also your Telegram account. So we'll go through and get the CDAX link. Okay, here is the CDAX link. So you click on Start App. If you join for the first time, you'll be receiving 150 CDXP, and that is your joining bonus. And now you can see, because of the potency, I am already involved in it. So firstly, what you need to do is either to join a battle that you have to tap. You choose between the centralized or the decentralized. So you tap, you ensure that the line doesn't go through to the decentralized. And if you want to have a better scope of tapping, you have to invite a friend. So now we are still in the centralized. Yeah, centralized won the battle. So the next thing is for you to go to tax. There are lined up activities for you to handle on social media. So you can subscribe, like the page. These are social media activities, and executing these tasks will give you extra token. So after doing this, you go to the next one, farm. You claim 4 hourly and you create a new farming area. Then to invite friends, you go to pool. You start a new farming area. Then to invite friends, you go to pool. Here you have opportunity to invite friends. You copy your link and send to any friend. So it is very easy and the market potential is amazing. So you need to jump on this. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, feel free to drop it at the comment section. Do well to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification for our post for more educative content. Thank you very much and see you in our next video.